Hey ladies, I want to share something amazing with you today. I normally do not talk about skin products online, but this product deserves a special attention. I've been hearing about that for a while and I finally ordered and it exceeded all my expectations. It's product of doTERRA and they only release it once a year. And it's made from roses then they grow in Bulgaria in this special roses valley where they only harvest them once a year, and it's a special environment where they bloom. Oh my God, it just makes you smell and feel and look like a queen. Unless you absolutely hate the roses smell, um, it's not for you, but otherwise you absolutely must try it. And this is only two products and I want to show you. And this is the Rose Hydrosol Mist and the Moringa Rose Oil. And this is like cleanest product you can find anywhere. The hydrosol is the water that left behind from the essential oil process extraction through the steaming and distillation. And then when they extract the essential oil, the uh, plant water then left is the hydrosol. It's infused with plant water soluble components and little like micro droplets of essential oil from that plant, but it's much gentler and that essential oil. They safer for kids and pets, and they really good and hydrating products for the like dry or tired skin or any type of skin. It's just beautiful product, and you can spray it on your face, on your neck, on your hair. They just smell, I mean, this rose, it is something. You just spray it gently and tap it, and it just wakes you up and kind of you can use it in the morning and the evening before you're, apply your moisturizer. It's just like in a rose garden, honestly. I never expect that. And another one is Moringa Rose Nourishing Oil, which is moringa um, is a base oil, and um, the rose essential oil is added here. So it's very moisturizing oil, very light. I will use it for my face. It's really good for, smoothing little wrinkles and just in general, like rejuvenating your skin. It just looks like radiant after you put it on, and it feels like a baby butt. It's just like so soft, and it absorbs really easily. Like you can see, it's very light oil, so you can put it on your gentle on your face. Just and if yeah, that's like, oh, so good. Smells like, oh my God, like heaven. If you interested in any of this, please text me. I'll help you to get 25% off. And do not wait for long because it will be sold out very soon. So great gift, very affordable for Mother's Day, for your daughters, for your mothers, for your loved ones. It just, they will love you for this gift. And if you buy it for yourself, you'll fall in love. I promise you, you will look for this next year, because I heard that for the whole year, if you using it morning and evening, you need probably like 4 sets of this. Um, and you can buy them separately, by the way. So if you don't want an oil, you could just want a toner or vice versa. And 4 of these sets enough for the whole year. But Obviously, you know, you don't have to buy all four. You can try one, but then you'll be saying like, oh, I wish I would buy at least a couple more. But anyway, so if you interested, text me. I'll help you to get those wonderful products. So, well, I forgot to tell you one thing. Um, when I was on one of the webinars where they were talking about these two products, I saw kind of a like reflection or light coming out from both of these bottles. And I work with energies. I taught myself, because I'm very curious about it, how to see energies of the plants and animals and even people. So I do the energy healing on people. So when I saw that, it was kind of strange to me. I noticed that, but I thought maybe it's reflection. I don't take everything, you know, like I always doubt things. Sorry, it's just me. And when I got these two bottles, I still decided to test it. And I wish you would see that. It's like, it has to be a little darker, like dimmed light. And when you gaze your eyes on these two bottles, you could see like a flashlight coming out from them. It's that much energy, high energy these products are. And it's nothing mysterious, because the rose is the highest, has highest vibrational frequency on the planet Earth. And it tells me then it's the cleanest product with a high vibration and high vibrational frequency. And it not only will make you feel good, look good, but make you feel good. It will uplift your mood. So, yeah, give yourself a favor. Give yourself a little gift.